दाबोळी विमानतळाचेर येवपी सोयऱ्यांक हाडपा खातीर आपली गाडी घेवन वचपी लोकांक विमानतळ प्राधिकरणान बरी गजाल करपाचें थारायलां. खाजगी गाडयांक, टॅक्सी आनी वेवसायीक गाडयांक खातीर वेगळो मार्ग दवरपाचें थारायलां. त्या प्रमाण खाजगी चारचाकी गाडयांक विमानतळाचेर फुकट प्रवेश दिवपाचें प्राधिकरणान थारायलां, अशी माहिती दाबोळी विमानतळाचो संचालक गगन मलिकान पत्रकारांक दिल्या.
Major airport has come up with a new policy regarding car parking, wherein what we have decided कि earlier there was a time limit कि the person who is going towards terminal building, he had to take a slip and disembark the passenger or pick the passenger. Now as per policy it has been decided that entry and exit to the airport for passenger vehicles which are private numbers will be free of cost, and they will be given sufficient time, 7.5 minutes or so, to disembark and pick the passengers. So the issue of clash between the car parking contractor and the general public will be obliterated. There will be no scope of any confrontation between both of them. And what will we do is कि instead the commercial vehicles which are coming to the airport, they will be charged a defined fee, and we will be creating different lanes in the front of terminal building, where the vehicles which are private will be using a separate lane, the vehicles which are commercial will be using the separate lane, and toll booths will be placed accordingly.
दाबोळी विमानतळा मुखार वचत थंय गाडयो उबे करून दवरतात, देखून येरादारी करपी गाडयांक त्रास जाता. तोय कमी करपाच्या नदरेन मल्टी लेवल पार्किंग इमारत बेगिनात उबारपाचें थारायलां, अशी माहिती संचालक मलिकान दिल्या.
We have created the MLCP. There were certain issues involved with that due to proximity of it with the terminal building. That issue was taken up with DRDO and all other Government of India agencies, and accordingly whatever modifications were suggested to us, they have been taken care for, and the MLCP is ready for operations now. And to do that, we have already gone for the commercial tenders. This MLCP will be holding around 350 cars at given point of time. So once this MLCP is put into operation, we are expecting if our tenders materialize, by July end we shall be in a position to put that MLCP in use. So that simply means that by shifting 350 cars which are scattered here and there in front of airport, if people park it in the MLCP, that will reduce lot of congestion in front of terminal building, and traffic flow will be very smooth.